Hello guys! Today we will do very cute spring manicure with flowers design. I think you love it. Let's do it right now.
I start my work by removing the old gel coat. For that I have a machine and a carbide drill. I do it gently without pressing the drill, trying not to touch the natural nail. I love my previous design. These bunnies received a lot of compliments, but this time I think that my design will be even better. After that, I file the gel gently with the nail file and shape the nails. Then I decide to change the shape to an oval. Of course, the square was also beautiful, but we girls always want something new. It's not very convenient to file your own nail, but I always try to show you how to do it right. To make an oval out of a square, I put the file under the right side of the nail, make it narrow, and then under the left. The main thing is not to make the nails too narrow, thereby damaging their sides. Then I shape the tip of the nail, gently rounding it. I always turn my hand over to make sure that the nail is properly shaped and its both sides are parallel to each other. This is what I do not only to myself, but also with the client's hand too. After shaping the nails, I take an orange stick and gently push the cuticle away. Then I file the nail with the buff. Before manicure, I always dry the cuticle with the talcum powder. It removes moisture and makes the manicure process safer and more comfortable. the first nail drill of the flame shape. With it, I remove the cuticle and clean all the dead skin from under it. It's completely painless and safe. Then I take a ball-shaped drill. I cut off the cuticle with it and polish the side. It's very important to do this carefully without pressing the drill. I work on the machine with a speed of about 8,000. Then I take a bullet-shaped drill and I polish cuticle with it. Very gently, carefully. After removing all dust with alcohol, look, what's the cleanest manicure we have now? Cleanest, safe, and beautiful. After the manicure, I prepare the nails for gel coating. First, I apply a dehydrator to the entire nail, then a primer and a thin layer of rubber base, which will serve as a basis for a straightening gel. I have a very beautiful shade of construction gel. It's a little menthol. To begin with, I thinly paint it on the entire nail, then put a large drop, distribute it over the entire surface of the nail, leveling and building the apex. The apex is the highest part of the nail that prevents the nail from breaking. The largest amount of gel should always be on the apex. Look how I do it. Our gel straightening is ready. Such straightening does not need file because the gel lies perfectly. Next, I prepare the necessary colors for the palette. Today we are drawing peony flowers. First, I draw the shape of the flower with pink color, and then I draw its petals. I add some shadows and make it more realistic. I paint the leaves with green gel color, and the same small flowers I added to all the nails. It turns out a delicate floral set. On the other nails, I decided to draw smaller flowers, but regardless of the size, they are drawn the same way. This design reminds me of a porcelain set with a painting that looks expensive and delicate. Try to draw petals to make your lines thin and elegant. It's like you're drawing with a slightly trembling hand. I also decided to decorate my design with the pieces of gold foil. I mixed it with the top coat and applied a little on my nails. Then I put top coat on all my nails and dry the lamp. Then I draw some elements with a thin brush and white gel paint. I add some gentle islands to the petals. Look. And then I check my shape with nail file and look at the results. It's beautiful spring manicure with flowers design. I think if you repeat it, you have a lot of compliments.